Hi mga beshi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe. Today, chika time muna tayo. Pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinaka-interesting na celebrity family sa Pinas, ang Barreto family, pero ang focus natin ngayon ay si Marjorie Barreto at ang mga ama ng kanyang mga anak. Sino-sino ba sila? Tara, alamin natin. Let's start with Marjorie's eldest daughter, si Dani Barreto. Dani is now married to Xavi Panlilio and may anak na rin sila. She's also a lifestyle and mommy vlogger, super relatable at sweet. Pero kahit happy family na siya ngayon, her background story is quite interesting. Si Dani ay anak ni Marjorie sa aktor na si Kier Legaspi. Yes, si Kier, member ng Legaspi acting family, at kapatid ni Zoren Legaspi. Dati siyang action star at heartthrob noong 90s. However, si Dani mismo ang nagsabi in interviews na hindi siya close sa kanyang ama. She even said na si Marjorie lang talaga ang nagtaguyod sa kanya. May mga attempts before na mag-reach out si Kier, pero ayon kay Dani, hindi raw ito consistent. Kaya hanggang ngayon, parang may gap pa rin sila. Despite that, Dani grew up well, strong, independent, and loving. Credits to Marjorie talaga for raising her on her own. Now let's talk about the most famous daughter ni Marjorie, Julia Barreto. Alam naman natin, she's one of the top actresses ng Gen Z stars. Member din siya dati ng Star Magic Circle, and naging leading lady ng mga sikat na love teams like Joshua Garcia, and even Gerald Anderson more recently. Ang ama ni Julia ay si Dennis Padilla, isang comedian, character actor, at dati ring politician. Dennis and Marjorie actually got married and were together for a number of years. Pero eventually, nauwi rin sa hiwalayan ang kanilang relasyon. Si Julia at Dennis ay nagkaroon ng very public na tampuhan, may interviews, statements, at social media posts pa nga. Julia admitted na may emotional distance sila sa isa't isa, and minsan daw, hindi sila nagkakaintindihan. Si Dennis naman, openly expressed na nami-miss niya ang mga anak niya, lalo na si Julia. Pero recently, may mga reports na may konting reconciliation efforts. Hopefully, magkaayos sila in the future. After Julia, meron pang dalawang daughter si Marjorie na si Dennis Padilla rin ang ama, Claudia at Erich. Si Claudia Barreto, unlike Julia, chose a different path. Hindi siya masyadong active sa acting. Instead, she's into music. Singer siya, and very artistic ang personality niya. Medyo low-key, introvert vibe, pero super talented. May mga songs siya on Spotify and YouTube, you should check her out. Then we have Erich, the youngest daughter, and super adorable. She's still young and mostly away from the public eye. Pero sa mga rare photos na lumalabas, makikita mo talagang hands-on si Marjorie bilang nanay. Hindi gaanong exposed sa media si Erich, which shows how protective Marjorie is with her kids. So again, Claudia and Erich, along with Julia, tatlong anak ni Marjorie na kay Dennis Padilla. Now, here's someone na medyo low profile rin pero slowly gaining attention, si Leon Barreto. Dati, may mystery kung sino ang ama ni Leon. Marami ang nag-speculate because for a while, hindi sinasabi ni Marjorie kung sino ang tatay niya, but eventually, sa isang interview, Marjorie confirmed na Dennis Padilla rin ang ama ni Leon. Leon has spoken up a few times online, especially nung nagkaroon ng issues between Julia and Dennis. He defended his sisters, and you can really see na close silang magkakapatid. So, to clarify, 4 ang anak ni Marjorie kay Dennis, Julia, Claudia, Leon, at Erich. That's it for today's vlog mga beshi. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang deep dive natin sa buhay ni Marjorie Barreto at ang mga ama ng kanyang mga anak. Kung meron kayong ibang topic na gusto nyong i-feature ko, especially about other celebrity families, comment lang kayo down below. Don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe. At kung Team Chismis ka talaga, ay turn on mo na ang notification bell para updated ka sa next episode ng ating Celebrity Family Tree series. Till next time, beshies, stay curious, stay kind, and stay chismosa, but with class. Okay, bye.